What is up, guys? So today we are going to be having a Nerf war. We got really bored, so we're going to do a Nerf war on the side of my house. Let's get started. Camera 1 rolling. Camera 2 rolling.
Camera 3 rolling.
Okay, so I'm gonna start off in the recycling bin. One, go.
I don't have any weapon.
What do you mean? You have 2 guns.
I got no weapon. This doesn't work. That doesn't work.
William, go.
I can't do anything but just sit here.
Alma, get your guns out.
None of them work. Look at this, look. I load this gun, then look, in a minute, look what happens when I try fire. Oh, it shoots.
You idiot! He's so dumb.
It did. How come it never works when I'm trying to use it in game, but whenever I show an example of it not working, it finally works?
Alma, you can't have that screen up.
What? Fine, then you can't have that trash can, recycling bin in front of you.
You can just sit in a chair and squat down.
I don't want to do that. I don't want to be like.
That's what you're doing.
I don't want to do this the whole time.
Yeah, but when I shoot, you're just gonna be like, oh. And you have a screen, so you can shoot whenever you want.
Fine.
Take the freaking screen down. Guys, this kid is such a cheater.
Alright, look, you have a big thing blocking me, and by the angle, I can never hit you.
Alma, look, you got all this.
Fine, then I'm gonna keep the screen up.
Okay, I'm gonna go. Get him, boys. Done. Did I get you?
No!
Okay.
No, siree, Bob!
Alright, now it's getting interesting, boys. Whoa!
This just became more, boss! Not like it wasn't already. William, you made me think you was coming through that! I mean there. He's coming! Did I hit ya? Did I hit ya?
No! Got him! We win, boys!
Stop! This is not fair!
How? Ow!
Such a wimp.
Me, the wimp, you got this recycling bin right in front of you. And by this angle, I cannot possibly hit you.
You wanna switch then?
No.
Why?
Because this is a luxury seat.
Stop complaining.
It's just... Fine, then I'll switch.
Alright,
Camera 1 rolling. Camera 2 rolling.
Okay, let's begin.
Okay, guys. We're gonna switch places. So now I have the quote-unquote luxurious spot. I got a chair, boys. Ooh, I'm gonna start off with this. Go like a little pop, 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 pop. Oh wow, double fires. Put a bullet in.
Luke left me with no ammo, so that's gonna be difficult to use.
Hey, this. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
What the heck?
I hit the. Uh-oh, I'm out. Okay, good to the hands and.
Oh, almost. Oh. Crap. Oh, shoot.
Come on now, my man.
William, get me more ammo.
Hey, now.
Shoo! He's a nub. He's some sort of juvenile delinquent. Put the cap right there. Whoa, that was dangerous.
Small ball. Oh yeah, lots of balls. I like myself lots of balls.
Not even the jolt's firing.
What?
Under quarantine laws, I gotta stay in this recycling bin.
Alma! Come get me, man.
I'm gonna do it, you did.
Oh, I'm like this? Did I hit you?
No.
No! Right in the face. Hey, I'm dead. You got me on the first shot. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed that quick little video. I know it wasn't the longest, but we just got really bored, so we decided, why not do a Nerf war? So, hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.